What's up, everybody? My name is Gene Villanos. Today we're going to work on Google Shopping. Specifically, I'm going to give you my thought process of how I do negative keywords through search terms. That's very important when you're doing Google Shopping or even Google Ads in general. Analyzing search terms and being able to decipher which search terms your users are searching and how to make the ones that are irrelevant to your product and offering negative keywords is very important. One of the biggest things you could do to optimize for more sales and conversions on Google Ads. So let's dive into it. This is your Google Ads dashboard, and for the people that are beginners, I want to go really slow when it comes to how to make a search term negative keyword, because I know how confusing all of this could be, and you might be somebody that is just beginning, or you are starting a small business and you want to leverage PPC and Google Ads in general. So this is a good video for beginners to understand how to create negative keywords through search terms, and I'll go step by step. So again, go to campaigns, pick the campaign you want to create negative keywords for. This time we're going to use this one, body glove, and then you automatically go to keywords and then search terms. How you're going to do this is go to the negative keyword. Let's try to find an actual negative keyword that is irrelevant. Alright, so how you do it is you click and then just do add as negative keyword, and then you can click save, and now you won't ever show up for that search term again. So now that you understand how to actually do it on Google Ads, this is the part where I kind of explain my personal thought process when it comes to negative keywords. Again, in Google Shopping campaigns, there are very few levers that you could pull to optimize your campaign. But one of the biggest levers that you can mess with is negative keywords. And I have learned this from my personal experience. I've handled clients and I've handled this specific account for my 9 to 5, and I've gotten really good results when it comes to creating negative keywords and just being on top of it. And even if you ask a Google specialist, if you get on the phone with them to do a call when they go through your account and make sure that you're on track, they'll tell you themselves that when it comes to Google Shopping, negative keywords is very, very important. So my thought process is I like to look at 3 variables. I like to look at cost, conversions, and clicks. So think about it like this. You sell basketball shoes and you have a specific brand that you're targeting. Let's just say Air Jordan, right? And you are showing up for Reeboks or Puma, but you don't carry Puma or Reebok. You only carry Air Jordans, right? Then why would you pay for someone to click your ad when you're selling Air Jordans, but they're clicking in on here, the search term that they're searching for is Reebok pumps, right? It's kind of counterintuitive, or you're defeating the purpose of PPC and Google Ads and Google Shopping in general when you don't create negative keywords, because what that does is it expends your budget faster, and Google's like, okay, well, they're not making a negative keyword. We're just going to continue and let their website show up for these Reebok pumps or these Puma shoes when you only sell Air Jordans. So Google Shopping is all about relevancy, so that that your ad budget is going to highly qualified people that are relevant to what you offer, is creating negative keywords through search terms. So I mainly look at 3 factors: cost, conversions, and clicks. If your clicks are high, and that means your cost is high. But if there's no conversions, then maybe think about making that specific search term a negative keyword. This is absolutely the very first step to creating negative keywords. Don't ever try to imagine negative keywords by just a hunch. You're thinking, oh, I gotta create negative keywords, but don't go off hunches. Always go to the search terms first, because this is actual data. These search terms are actual terms that people are searching and you're popping up for. So what a better place to start than here? The best way to be successful is using the data they give you. So start here. Again, if the clicks are high, the cost is high, but no conversions, then maybe it's time for you to make that specific search term a negative keyword. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to message me or comment or email me. Or if you need any help for Google Shopping optimization, I can help you. And I'll provide a link to my Fiverr account so that you can kind of see the reviews that I have and the credibility and the screenshots, because I can really help you get your business to the next level when it comes to Google Shopping, because it's my expertise. So that's it for now. It's a quick video, but I just want to get this out of the way for the people that don't know how to make negative keywords through search terms. And I'll be back with more videos.